Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Prakash Kulkarni's lectures. In the previous video, you studied about genders of nouns. In this video, you are going to study about articles a and an. Articles in English language. There are only three articles in English language: a, an, the. What are the articles in English language? Articles are small but important words in English language. Articles are considered adjectives because they modify or help describe nouns. Articles always come before or precede the nouns they describe. One should also know when we should not use an article. Articles are a and the, but we classify them into two types. The first one is indefinite, the second one is definite. Indefinite articles are a and an. They are used before singular countable nouns. And definite article the can be used for singular and plural nouns. Now, how to use articles a and an? When a noun is not specific to the speaker or listener, ಯಾವ ವಸ್ತುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತೀವಿಯೋ ಎಂದು ಮಾತನಾಡುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕೇಳುವ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎ ಅಥವಾ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ವಿ ಗೋ ಟು ಎ ಮೂವಿ. When a common noun is used for the first time, for example, I need a pen. If the noun begins with a vowel letter or consonant letter with vowel sound, we should use an. Example, a baby ate an apple. Ravi is an MP. How to use articles a and an? If nouns begins with a consonant or vowel letter with consonant sound, you should use a. For example, I want a banana. Hemlata works in a university. Used as a synonym for the number 1. For example, he went to a shop. It can be said as he went to one shop. It is used to indicate one member of a group. For example, Mohan is an engineer. They saw a tiger. Here, engineer represents all the engineers and tiger represents all the tigers. So therefore we use article a or an before a common noun. Indefinite articles. A before consonant sound. A consonant sound is not a free sound, it is an abstracted sound. How to identify consonant sound? In Kannada, we have ka ka ga ga nga to halakshadnya. That means ka to dnya sound is there. We have to use article a. And a, e up to ammaha, they are vowel sounds. If there is a sound of a to ammaha, we have to use article an. A book. a European girl, a school, a one-way road, a university, a hotel, a year, a member, a nation. Now second one, an. An is used before vowel sound. So to amma are vowel sounds in Kannada. An apple, a. An egg, a. An ice cream, I. An orange, a. An umbrella, a. An hour, a. An ear, e. An MP, a. Or an MLA, a. An NCC cadet, N, a. Use a with a consonant sound. A book, B. A doctor, D. Are consonant letters. A tree, T. A mobile, M. Are consonant sounds. A hotel, H. A glass, G. Are consonant sounds. A European girl, U. Please see here the sound of U, lover, ya, ye, u. Therefore it takes A. And A one way. Here one, v. No doubt it is an adjective, but it takes article takes before the adjective. V, one. Therefore A one I, not an one I. Use an with a vowel sound. An apple, a. An egg, a. An ice cream, I. An orange, a. An umbrella, a. So vowel sounds are free sounds. So therefore we use article an. The easiest way to identify vowel is to ammaha in Kannada. If to ammaha sound is there, use an. Use a with a consonant sound now onwards and an with a vowel sound. An FDC, F, EF, F, a fan. An hour, H is silent, therefore it takes an hour. A headache also starts with letter H, but here H is sounded. An hour ಎನ್ನುವ ಪದದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು H ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆನನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಹೆಡೇಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಉಚ್ಚಾರ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ ಹನ್ನು, ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. An elbowed, L. A lamp. An MBA degree, M. A mirror. Please note the sounds. In MBA sound of M and mirror M. An NCC cadet, a nose. Both starts with N, but in NCC, ENN, a vowel sound is there. Therefore, an NCC. Nose, it is a consonant sound, therefore we use a. An owl, ow. So, vowel sound is there, therefore an is used. A one way, v is there. So therefore we use a before one, a one way. An SDC. SDC means second division clerk. An SDC, a salesman. An umbrella, it starts with U, but it has a sound of a, umbrella, a. Whereas a university, In this, the letter U is consonant sound. Y, R, L, V, Y, Ya, E, U. Therefore, we use a university. Many write an university. It is wrong. An X-ray photo. X, EX, X. A xylophone. An ear. The first letter is E, E-A-R, ear. E is a vowel sound, therefore an ear. Whereas if a word starts with Y, it is taken as a consonant letter. ಈ ಎರಡನೇ ಎ ಇಯರ್ YEAR ವಾಯ್ದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಾಮಪದಗಳು ವಾಯ್ದಿಂದ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭವಾದರೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸೋನೆಂಟ್ ಎಂದು ಗುರುತಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಬಳಸಬೇಕು. ಯೂಸ್ ಎ to refer to something for the first time. Examples: I need a bat and a ball to play cricket. There is a zebra. Use a with names of jobs. For example, Priya is a teacher, a lawyer, a driver, etc. Bhaskar is a mechanic. Use a with nationalities and religions in the singular. For example, an Englishman. Ben Stokes is an Englishman. ಇದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆನ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ಮನ್ ಅಂತ. ಜಾನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಎಂಬುದು ಧರ್ಮವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ನ್ಯಾಷನಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಲಿಜನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಎ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಯೂಸ್ ಎ ವಿತ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೀಕ್ ವೆನ್ ನಾಟ್ ರೆಫರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಎನಿ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಡೇ. ಯಾವುದೇ ನಿರ್ದಿಷ್ಟ ದಿನವನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸದೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನು ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ, ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್ ಆನ್ ಎ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ. ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಐ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆನ್ ಎ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಎ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಒಂದು ಶನಿವಾರ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗಲಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಸಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಶನಿವಾರ. ಯೂಸ್ ಎ with singular nouns after the words what and such. ವಾಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಸಚ್ ಪದಗಳ ನಂತರ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೇವೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಎ ಲವ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಚ್ ಎ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸನ್ಸೆಟ್. ಯೂಸ್ ಎ meaning one, referring to a single object or a person or a single unit of measure. For example, I would like an orange or an apple. ಇಲ್ಲಿ an orange, an apple ಎಂಬುದು ಒಂದು ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಒಂದು ಸೇಬು ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಸೂಚಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. ಎರಡನೇ ವಾಕ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಒನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಒನ್ ಆರೆಂಜ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ. ಹಾಗೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ, ಒನ್ ಆ್ಯಪಲ್ ಅಂದರೂ ಒಂದೇ. We should carefully observe the usage of articles while reading and writing of English. In the next episode, we will learn about article the. Thank you. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon